How to add Google login in Lovable. You can add Google login to your Lovable using Lovable Managed Cloud Authentication and using a one prompt setup. In order to do this, the first step is to enable Lovable Cloud. So the first step is that you open the Lovable application and simply navigate to your project which you're currently editing. And within your project, from the bottom, you want to tap on this gear icon right here. And from there, you want to go to More tab. And when you go to More tab, you can tap on Cloud. And when you go to Cloud, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find the option to enable the cloud. Now, after you've enabled the cloud, you'll find this option called Users and AUTH or Auth Settings. So just go to this Auth Settings tab. And when you've done that, over here, you have to simply tap on Google. And when you tap on Google, just select Enable Google Sign In. And when you've done that, you can set this to managed by basically Lovable or your own credentials. I will just let it basically to leave it as managed by Lovable. And once done, you can just basically tap on the save option from the very bottom of the screen. And this way you can add Google login in Lovable. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.